What you mean? They can't breathe? Oh, brother, I don't know what to do. But hit him on the back. Brother, hit him on the back. Hit the back and pull the stomach. Put the stomach in and pull it in and squeak. Look, hold up. Let me look. I gotta figure this out. Hold on. What? Just I don't know if you're not breathing. CPR. How do you know how to do CPR? What you, brother? I don't know what you want me to do. What? I'm here. Hold on. Let me figure out if I can try to figure out the right instructions on how you provide CPR. I don't know how to provide CPR. No, hold on 1 second. Let me figure. This is CPR. Why isn't people dying? And why you gotta perform? Like,
hello, Sol. How can I assist you?
Angel, please. I need some assistance with this. I have somebody that needs to do CPR. What's the proper way of doing a CPR procedure, and how can I explain it to them?